Hey up, you lovely people, you're up in the sky again. Up in the sky, up in the sky. Right, another quick one today. And again, can you guess what it is? Yay! You're right and you're wrong. It is a black and yellow sander, orbital sander, that looks very much like the Dewalt orbital sander. But it's not. It's a copy. Yeah. So, let's get on the bench, let's have a look. Let's see exactly how rubbish this is. If it is rubbish. Stay tuned, come on. Right, so what we got on the bench today then, Doc? Well, we got a cheap as chips. I think it cost me £17. Yeah, £17 posted. 3-speed orbital sander with dust attachment and dust bag. Now this fits the black and yellow platform, which is Dewalt. I'm not saying it's a Dewalt sander, it is not. It is a copy. The Dewalt sander, I think at the moment, is currently running around the £90 to £100 mark. I paid, I think it was £16 or £17. Don't expect it to last, but there you are. So, on the front, we have the on-off, and then 1, 2, 3 speeds. There's no stickers or nothing on it. Nothing came in the box with it. But I think from what I remember, it goes from 1250 RPM up to 3500, there or thereabouts. It's compatible with Dewalt batteries. You've got a dust bag that isn't worth really putting your shopping in. The ring can be taken off as well, but obviously you can stick a hoover over there. So plastic wise, it's not bad actually. It's quite strong plastic. I was expecting cheaper plastic. It's a 150, I think. Let me have a quick measure. It's 125mm discs. So all your 115mm up to 125mm discs will fit. Came with a disc, sanding pad disc. That's a 120. Hook and loop fittings, as they all are now. Velcro to me and you. Hook and loop, if you want to be technical. Just put him on. That's your dust port. It did say it was brushless, but I'm not holding my breath on that. But there we are. Again, if it lasts me 6 months, I'll buy another one. If it lasts me 12 months, I'll buy another one. I've had this now for maybe 2.5 months. Hasn't had a massive amount of use, but the use it has had, give it a thumbs up. It's sanded, it's worked, it doesn't leave massive swirl marks, so the actual offset of the orbit isn't too bad. On a 4 amp hour Dewalt battery, I usually get half a day of general use, so 2 batteries for a day, which to me, I can live with that. I've got numerous batteries, I got compatible batteries, fine. So again, it's made to take Dewalt batteries. You've got your on off switch, speed 1, speed 2, speed 3. And then it resets the first speed when you put it back on. What can I say? It works. It does what it says on the tin. It sands. It sands in an orbit, not just vibrates. It is actually on a cam. So it does what it says on the tin. It's not too heavy. I'm going to say pound and a half maybe. I could weigh it, but I'm not going to be bothered to. But yes, it's not too heavy. And to be honest, the grip on it is quite comfortable, I found. You can use it most of the day on its side. I've used it up as well, sanding underneath, and it's not too heavy with a 4 amp hour battery. I found that battery seems to last the best. I've tried a 2 amp, it's okay. I've tried a 5 and a 6 and an 8 amp, and they're too heavy. But the 4 to me is what I should partner that with, and it works. So yeah, all in all, I'll give it a thumbs up. For a cheap tool, it's not a bad tool. As a disposable tool, if you look at that. If you've got one job you need to do renovating your house that needs sanding, you could buy that, put it in the cupboard and forget about it. I'd love to have the Dewalt version, but again, Wonga. If you want to donate one to the channel, comment down below. Anyway, there you are, another tool review. Thanks for watching. Please do click like, subscribe if you would to help the channel. Hit the alert bell to get the little ding dings when I put a new video up. More videos coming. We are getting back onto the bikes. It's just I've been so busy with life. Stay tuned, people. Peace out.